What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, smash that like, subscribe. That way you'll know when all of our content goes live. So I found this interesting article. It said Hyundai's security affiliate to add crypto data to its asset management platform. All right. So what does that mean? Well, Hyundai Motor Group's security arm has extended its partnership with South Korean crypto exchange Bithumb and will allow its app users to access real-time crypto markets data. So they went into a partnership, I believe it was back in June, and they haven't really done much since then. So this is their first joint venture that they're launching. So this My Data asset management platform that they're launching, which is called the Herb, which we see down here, it's going to allow crypto users to basically consolidate all of their assets and liabilities in one place in an easy to view way. So we're talking, you can access your bank accounts, your stocks, and now crypto. Okay. So what this does is this is actually increasing the validity of crypto in, the regular world. Because obviously right now, crypto is still early in adoption, only about 3 to 4% of the world is currently transacting in crypto, or not transacting, it has any crypto. That's something for a future video. but yeah, so it is something that they're launching here. They're going to be able to track account statuses, transactions, get live market prices for selected coins. They're actually going to be the first security firm in the nation to offer such crypto market monitoring functions in such a manner. Now, is this going to be safe and secure? Well, there have been other attempts at doing this, it looks like, that have not been quite so secure. So there was a neobank service, Naver Financial. They tried to launch a My Data service as well, and they accidentally leaked the financial information of some 100 customers while testing their own My Data service. So I'm not saying that this is something that isn't, necessarily secure, because obviously we haven't really seen much from this platform yet. But this could be the way for the future, right? It's very difficult, obviously, now to bounce between all your bank accounts and your stock portfolios and your crypto portfolios and look at your wallet and all this sort of stuff. It's very complicated and time consuming to do. So this idea, I think, is very cool. Now, again, it is early in development, but it's very interesting to see that this stuff is actually coming. Now, we'll try to keep you updated, obviously, as we find out more. If you haven't already, please feel free to smash the like button. You can hit subscribe. Again, that way you'll know when all of our content goes live. Videos, shorts, streams, all that jazz. Maybe funny videos. Who knows? Who knows what's coming, right? But I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you for taking this time to watch the video, and we will catch you in the next one.